Welcome to Best Choice. The best center finder is probably one of the most underrated tools in any workshop, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who likes to tinker, this little gadget can save you tons of time and frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of center finders, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Westcott 24-inch stainless steel ruler. This ruler is crafted from rugged stainless steel, ensuring it withstands wear and tear. Its durable design guarantees precise measurements for all your projects. The zero-center scale allows measurements to be taken evenly from the center. This feature improves balance in layouts and drawings. The flexible design allows you to measure on curved surfaces without losing accuracy. It's perfect for complex drafting tasks. The cork backing provides a stable grip on any surface. This minimizes shifts during marking, resulting in cleaner lines and dependable results. It features a hang-hole design for convenient storage. This keeps it neatly stored and ready for quick access. What we like. This ruler's stainless steel build ensures it can withstand the test of time. It also features a zero-center scale, making it perfect for balanced layouts. If you're looking for a ruler that offers both precision and durability for your drafting or design projects, you should consider this one. What people say. The ruler is well made and the markings are clear and easy to read. It is a very handy tool for finding the center of boards and other materials. The center finder ruler is accurate and easy to use. Number 4. Easy Center Finder 4-piece set with edge guide. Introducing the Easy Center Finder, a must-have tool for any woodworker. This set helps you find and mark the exact center on boards of any size, making your projects more accurate and efficient. The Mini Center Finder is perfect for delicate work. It's designed for marking pilot hole locations on the edges of thin stock, ensuring precision in every cut. Need to work on edges or trim molding? The Small Center Finder is your go-to tool. It makes marking pilot holes a breeze, giving you clean and accurate results. Tackling 1x3s, 1x4s, or 2x4s. The Medium Center Finder is ideal. It helps you find the center quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. For those larger projects, the Large Center Finder has you covered. It's perfect for 1x6s, 2x6s, and 1x8s, ensuring accurate center marking every time. As a bonus, this set includes an edge guide. This handy tool helps you mark inset lines at various measurements along the edge of your board, adding even more versatility to your woodworking. What we like. This set is designed to quickly find the center of any size board. The included edge guide adds versatility to your projects. If you're a woodworker who needs a simple and effective way to mark centers and edges, you'll find this set indispensable. What people say. They work with all the accuracy you could want. As soon as I received the Center Finder marker set, I started using it to accurately mark centers of wood pieces for cutting with a hole saw. These products are simple in design, accurate and a real value. Number 3. Alumicolor 12IN Silver Aluminum Straight Edge. This measuring tool is a ruler and drafting tool. It is 12 inches in length. This makes it perfect for various projects. One side features inches and centimeters for easy measuring. The other side offers a bonus center finding ruler, adding extra functionality. Made of high-quality silver extruded aluminum. The photo-anodizing process creates a uniform finish. Calibrations are permanent and won't wear off. The construction makes it perfect for inking lines and cutting against. Extruded aluminum is much more rigid than thin steel versions, ensuring durability. Made with the highest quality extruded aluminum. All straight edge measuring tools have smooth edges. It is calibrated to exact specifications, ensuring accuracy. What we like. This ruler has a center finding back for easy measurements. Its durable aluminum construction ensures longevity. If you like a ruler that combines ease of use with lasting quality, you should consider this one for your measuring needs. What people say. The ruler is well made and the markings are clear. It is easy to use and accurate. The center finder is a great tool for woodworking projects. Number 2. WEITARI Center Finder Measuring Tool 165 mm. This tool makes measuring angles easy. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use, helping you get the job done right. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With this tool, you can easily scribe 45 and 90-degree angles. The metal construction ensures durability and precise markings. It's a versatile tool for various woodworking projects. The measuring range of this tool is 165 mm. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks. This allows you to work on different projects with ease. This ruler is easy to handle and can mark soft metals and wood. It's perfect for finding precise centers, increasing efficiency, and saving time. It's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. Made from aluminum alloy, this tool offers corrosion resistance and a polished surface. It provides a better user experience. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of daily use. This is an excellent woodworking tool for marking centers on round shafts and discs. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use. It's a valuable addition to any toolbox. The package includes one center finder measuring tool. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's a great tool for all your measuring needs. What we like. This tool is perfect for accurately measuring angles, with 45 and 90-degree options. It's also easy to carry around. If you need a versatile tool for woodworking or general measuring tasks, it's a great choice. What people say. I'm a wood turner and use this tool to find centers on table legs and such. Keep the screws tight and this thing does its thing over and over in production. I do machine work, and for some simple projects where high precision is not required, this is a quick way to bisect round stock. After purchase, I have used it a lot. Very handy tool. The tool is well made. Quality of materials is great. I don't use it all the time, but it is nice to have around. Works well on dimensional lumber. Number 1. WEITARI Center Finder, 90 mm Woodworking Ruler. This tool makes measuring angles easy and accurate. It's designed for ease of use and portability, making your work more efficient. With this tool, you can easily scribe lines at 45 and 90-degree angles. It's perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks. This ruler is designed to mark on soft metals and wood. It's ideal for finding precise centers, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. Made from aluminum alloy, this tool offers corrosion resistance and a polished surface. It's built to last and provide a great user experience. This tool is excellent for marking centers on round shafts and discs. It's a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. The package includes one center finder measuring tool. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This tool is perfect for accurately measuring angles, with 45 and 90-degree options. It's also easy to carry around. If you need a versatile tool for woodworking or general measuring tasks, it's a great choice. What people say. Finds the center of any circle or square with ease. The measurements are accurate. Works as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.